Santo, and the late Bruce Lee. In addition to his extensive martial arts background, Jeff is probably the best known, but least recognized martial artist in the motion picture and television industry. Apart from personally introducing the knife to the likes of Tom Selleck and Sylvester Stallone, he has included Balisongs in numerous featured films and TV shows including Streets of Fire, T.J. Hooker, Magnum P.I., The A-Team, Rambo, and The Golden Child. In 1985, at the first annual Stuntman's Awards, Jeff received an award for the best fight sequence in the Knight Rider television series. In Big Trouble in Little China, Jeff played the leader of the Lords of Death, where he displayed his expertise with both the Balisong knife and the telescopic staff.
Hi, my name is Jeff Imada, and I'm going to be instructing you in the use of the Balisong knife. The first thing I'm going to talk to you about is safety. Okay, the first thing you're going to do is take a narrow strip of tape, preferably duct tape. Place it on the edge of your blade. Make sure the tape does not cover the whole blade, otherwise the knife will not be able to open and close properly. This will prevent you from being cut or learn how to manipulate the knife. This next demonstration, we're going to use a specially machined knife and blade designed by Pacific Cutlery without an edge, okay? Okay, there's a right way and a wrong way to hold your Balisong. The wrong way is to hold the handle where the cutting edge touches your fingers. Okay, this will cause you to get cut here. The right way is to hold the handle with the back side of the blade touching your finger. Okay, if it's a false upper edge, choke up on your handle. This will prevent you from being cut. Some of the common cuts that will occur when you're learning how to use your Balisong is, as you're opening the handle, your fingers will